My name is Tatum and I'm an accessibility and inclusion advocate. I grew up training as a dancer and then my muscle disease started to take form. And that meant I had to completely re-find myself and find new avenues for my creativity. I'm really passionate about storytelling, and I think it's really important to hear stories that aren't really in your sphere. I think storytelling is an amazing tool that we have as humans. For me, it's really important that I'm sensible with my money whilst also treating myself, because life can be difficult and we deserve to have a good time. Also, being disabled can be quite expensive because I do have to spend a lot of money on essential things, really. For discounts, I use the PayPal Honey extension, and this is very easy to use. It's free to download. When I'm shopping, all I have to do is click the Honey icon, and Honey has found me all of these discounts that I didn't know existed. And you don't have to do anything. Once it's there, all of these discounts are available to you. Who doesn't love a discount? Instead of spending all of your time searching for codes, it's doing it for you. Whether that's adventures, treatments, there's such a wide spectrum of things that I can enjoy by using Honey. I can't see a future where I'm not using Honey. Why wouldn't I? Discounts, easy to use, a world of saving money at a click.